Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to print emails without cutting off on the side in Outlook. Alright, let's begin. If you were printing emails from Outlook and your emails are being cut off like what this looks like here, you're in the right place. I'm going to fix it for you, so stay tuned. The first thing we're going to do is select the email, of course, that we would like to print. And on the left hand side, you can see at the top of the page, there's a file. We're going to click on that. And from there, you can see, of course, there's print on the left hand side. We're going to go in there and the preview is going to load. And you can see here that obviously it doesn't look very good. So what we're going to do is simple. And this may happen differently for every type of email. It just depends on what the actual images and tables or whatever content is on the actual email looks like. So on the left hand side, you can see that choose your printer, and then just underneath that there is print options. Once we're in there, there are a few options. Here you're going to go page setup. Once you're in page setup, at the top there's format, paper, header and footer. We're going to go over paper, and clearly this email should be printed in landscape, not in portrait. So at the bottom of the page, you know this window that was just loaded. On the right hand side there's portrait and landscape. You can change that now to landscape. You can see that it changes. You can now go ahead and click on OK. And that's it. Now your email will be fit to page. So that's basically how you can print emails without cutting off on the side in Outlook. And that's it for this video. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.